The company I work for approached me and asked me if I would be interested in being a part of the class of 2010 for Leadership Ascension. It's a group that's sponsored by the Chamber of Commerce in Ascension Parish, and it's something that you have to be recommended for. It was an honor to be approached by my company asking, me to represent them in the community in this program.
You learn about all facets of Ascension Parish, whether it's government, healthcare, education, through different programs. Once a month we meet and have a different agenda, whether it's going to the state capitol and visiting with our officials, or going to a law enforcement day, just learning about the police department in Ascension Parish. On top of that, we were also assigned, a project as a group. We were broken up in different groups, the class was. The one we chose to do was a Future Leadership Ascension program.
During this time frame, my daughter is a member of a mentor group at Santa Maria High School. She was asked to go to Disney and spend a day at a leadership conference. And then something just clicked. If she would get anything like what I got out of this program, I thought that was just awesome. And then I just started thinking maybe we can actually start a Future Leadership Ascension.
We feel that if we can go ahead and get the youth of Ascension intrigued by what we're learning at an earlier age, that they could potentially, if you want a vested interest in staying in the parish and actually helping it to become a better place than it already is by either working with leaders down the road or actually becoming leaders themselves.
We got permission through the school board. They loved the idea. Now we also have involved the private schools. So we made contact with the principals of those schools and through the school board out to the principals of the public schools. And they chose a contact person for inside of the school to get this communicated to the students, to get this communication out, to present the applications and kind of get that going for us. And then they sent the applications to us with the letters of recommendation, and based on those is how we decided who our first class would be, the class of 2010.
I guess our goal for our project is twofold. One, we would love to see this program continue year after year. In order to do that, we have to make sure the schools are excited about this first program, that they want to continue, that the students get excited about it. But also, we need volunteers in the community who take an interest in it to actually facilitate these programs year after year.
The 8 members in my group, we all decided that we had a passion for wanting to keep the kids involved in the community. So we have committed ourselves to follow it through from year to year, as long as we can. But we also thought about Ascension leadership has been such a positive experience. Their classes go back to 1995. Anyone that you run into that's ever been a part of Leadership Ascension has had such a positive experience. It's like the best thing they've ever done. We know that there would probably even be more people out there willing to donate a little bit of their time to help keep this project going.
This program helps out in the parish where young people can become leaders and live up to becoming a leader in the parish.
Well, we get to meet people of the council and legislature and ask questions about what's going on and what's going to happen, so we get to learn more so we can help it out in the future.
This interests me because I like to be a leader and I like to help other people, and it gives me a way to help out the community and my fellow students.
It gives me a better feel on how to be a leader and how to be a better leader at my school.
It's important to me because it gives me a heads up on what's going to happen in the community and any ways that I can help out in the future. Because it's my community and I like to know what's going on in the community.
Kids today, they are so much more in tune to what is going on in the world these days. There are issues that they're already thinking about. It could be issues that they know that could affect their family in some way, and which it is great. I mean, they actually know that they have a voice.